Good morning YouTube! Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all doing well. So today we're having an explore day. We're going to take a little drive into the middle of the island, into the jungle, maybe go and visit like a waterfall or something like that. So we're not entirely too sure exactly what our plans are yet, but we'll take you along with us and see where we end up. Breakfast place in Canggu because you get like a little platter and I just like a little bit of everything because I'm too indecisive, so this is the perfect one for me. We're going to get moving and head over to Ubud and hopefully try and catch a waterfall. There's surprisingly quite a lot of stairs trying to get down. Like, I don't know why I was thinking that it would be a lot of stairs to go to like a waterfall to get to the bottom of it, but there's just loads of like kind of touristy things and that. So jumping bugs now. The what? What are you jumping the bugs now? Really nice day club, which is literally just at the waterfall. Really didn't expect this. Someone on Google said that there was a cafe at this waterfall and I was like, alright, okay, it'll just be like a wee small, like, lucky if it's a coffee shop or something like that. And this is like a full scale like day club, like with minimum spends and stuff. So we've sat here, which is like a free table, but I think they've purposely put this tree here, right? Because look at this. The waterfall is literally going down there, so I think they've put that tree there for a reason. Currently in a lift going back up to the top. With this day club you don't actually have to walk back up, they've got a lift, so that's dead handy. So we're going to go and maybe explore a rice field or something like that. Quite fancy just trying to do as much exploring as we can today while we're in the jungle. managed to get like a little seat. Yep, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think we're just going to have a drink, so yeah.
Thank you. So we've got this wee seat here, just looking on to the rice terraces. We've got a wee Sprite and a wee Coke Zero. And you're feeling a bit more refreshed now, aren't you?
Yep.
With the rice terraces, I mean, they're so stunning, as you can see, like, they're so nice, but I expected it to be like in the middle of nowhere, and it's not. It's in the middle of like a main road, and it's very commercialised. It's very, very pretty, and there's so many swings and zip lines and just different things to get like the perfect picture. Are you happy now?
Just sitting in the rice paddies and totally at one with nature.
Totally at one with nature.
My fucking raspberry and mango ice lolly, man.
Italian restaurant in Ubud to try just get something to eat because we're starving, and I think it's 3:45, so we've been on the move for like 6 hours or something, but it's been a really good day. It's been like, just feel as if I've done like so much exploring, and my nose is burnt. But we're starving, so we're going to get some good food and a wee bit of downtime just to try and cool down a bit. We're going to head back to Canggu now. Thank you, bye! Oh my goodness, I am so full. Thinking about getting a coffee, but it's a wee bit late now, so I probably just leave it.
Oh man.
How good does that feel? Good to be home?
Fucking brilliant. Navigated through the Indonesian countryside.
Oh yeah. So both our phones are dead, and unfortunately GoPro doesn't have maps in it. So we basically got to a certain point and we had to direct ourselves and try and just work out the way that we came this morning. And we made it back. So really, really proud of our internal compass, as we would call it. Hi.
What?
Oh, home sweet home. So that is the end of this video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. Give you a little bit of an insight as to what the Balinese countryside looks like. So remember to like, subscribe, all that good stuff, you know the drill, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye!